Trader, trader, I've got the best one, the RUI index. Yes, you heard me. That is the big one. I will tell you right now, this is the one that is gapping right into resistance. We had a nice pullback. Then we got the jobs Friday number. And that index controls all these big cap stocks. You hear me? The RUI does. So it's very important to understand we're above that 10-day. We didn't really keep, we did fall down in the buy MACD. The other indicators are holding on. Either we're going to make a new 52-week high or we're at a make or break for these particular indexes that this one is the biggest and the one that needs to be watched carefully as we move through October volatility. RUI October volatility. Learn. I will mentor you through it. I have lots of programs that you can register for. I'm very diverse in the risk management. Buy now, pay later. What's wrong with that? You get to invest with other people's money. Yes, inquire. 503-753-0062. Buy now, pay later.